Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best beach lounge chairs that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have Best Choice Products Lounge Chair. The lounge chair option on top of our list is a set of 2 beach chairs. These come along with pillow and cup holder trays. You get numerous color options as well. The alloy steel construction is another reason why you should go for it. The lightweight design allows you to take it with you wherever you go. The UV-resistant design ensures that you can use it on the beach quite easily. The weight carrying capacity is 250 pounds. Moreover, with an adjustable and removable headrest, you can customize it according to your requirement. The upper dimensions are 32.5 - 61 by 25 inches by 33.5 - 44 inches. The folded design is pretty compact. Due to the same, it allows you to carry it around easily. The zero-gravity design is another advantage. It is ergonomic as well. With so many features, these are the best beach lounge chairs on offer. Moving on at number 4, we have Zero-Gravity Chair Beach Lounge Recliners. The beach lounge chairs which we are highlighting come in a set of 2. These are available in numerous color options. Moreover, the zero-gravity design makes them comfortable. You get proper headrest as well. The unlimited reclining positions allow you to customize it according to your requirement. The resistance is such that once you set it, it will not move accidentally. It does not need assembling, which is another reason to go for it. The strong frame ensures that each recliner can carry up to 250 pounds. Folding and unfolding is relatively easy. The ventilated fabric helps it stand out. Whichever feature you look at, this set of 2 beach lounge chairs is sure to grab your attention. At number 3, we have Rio Beach Portable Folding Chair. The advantage of this beach lounge chair is that it is available in 3 different color options. Moreover, the alloy steel construction makes it durable. It is reclinable as well. You can even lay it flat. The backpack type design means that carrying it around is easy. The large storage box is another reason to go for it. The rust-proof design ensures that it is a long lifespan. The weight is just 9 pounds, which allows you to carry it around with ease. You can use it on the beach, at the pool, in a concert, and anywhere else. The quick-drying fabric is another advantage. Thus, when you're looking for a lightweight beach lounge chair, you should consider this option. At number 2, we have Max Sports Beach Lounge Chair. The advantage of this lounge chair is that it has 2-in-1 functionality. You can use it as a lounger and as a storage cart as well. It is one of the rare lounge chairs which offers this functionality. Moreover, the collapsible design allows you to move it around quickly. It uses a plastic, aluminum frame and polyester fabric. The durability is excellent due to the same. The 600D fabric ensures that it is incredibly smooth. As a lounger, it can carry up to 225 pounds. As a storage cart, it can carry up to 100 pounds. Moreover, the 4-position reclining design of the lounger makes it the right choice. The powder-coated aluminum frame ensures that you need not bother about wear and tear or rust. The 2-in-1 feature makes it stand out from others. And finally at number 1. Portal Adjustable Lounger Beach Chair. The aluminum frame of this beach lounge chair is what helps it stand out. Due to the same, it can carry up to 260 pounds. The steel legs make it extremely comfortable. You can use it as a bed as well. The powder-coated steel finish means that rust is not going to be a problem. The well-ventilated fabric ensures that it provides breathability. Not only that, you can adjust the recline according to your requirement. The folding legs allow you to move it around quite quickly. The lightweight design makes it portable. The 4 back positions come to your rescue. Thus, if you're looking for a beach lounge chair which you can use as a bed, you can consider this option.